Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I couldn't wait to review this set. I love this set. This is the Lego Friends Downtown Flower and Design Stores. Now there's 9 characters included in this set. Love that blue, purple, white building, the flower store. I just love everything about this. We get a police officer here, lots of mini dolls, we get 2 pets. So it is quite expensive, $250 in Australia. I found it on eBay for $164. So I was stoked about that, and I was just pointing to the hanging bed because I find that completely weird. Anyway, let's open it up because this has 2010 pieces in it, so it's a whopper of a set. 12 bags are included plus these plates here, so I believe this is the biggest Friends set that we've had to date. Alright, let's take a look at these instructions, and they have glued it down. Must be the new thing they're doing. I wish they'd put one piece of sticky tape there because some people like keeping these pouches. So let's see, we get 3 booklets here. It's quite a large sticker sheet here. Oh look, we get pictures of furniture here for the design store. Love the mats there, or little rugs. So let's take a look at these. They look pretty good. What's this one for? Oh, this one is for the flower shop, and when you put the whole set together. I have to take a look at the map. I'm obsessed with the maps now. I want to know where everything is, and looks like Ollie lives quite close to the downtown area. And this is just to let us know the inspiration behind the furniture designs. I really like those furniture designs. They're all different. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. Riley's up first. Love her floral dress there. Would have loved more print at the back of the skirt. And she plays the saxophone. This is Addie, and she has purchased the little apartment above the florist, and I love that purple and gold Indian inspired top and her hair. Ada works at the design store. Love her plain white shoes there. She's got the same hairstyle as Paisley, just in black. Fiona, the florist, is next. Love that French braid hairstyle she has. Her little apron with the little flowers on the front, and I love she's got white stockings on. Heart Lake City finally gets a police officer, and it's Isabella. Love her whole uniform. The front of it is very detailed, and she needs to find a set of twins. Leanne is in this set, and I love her blue pants. They're a little bit wider than normal with the black shoes, and I love that shirt tucked into her pants. Ollie's also in this set, same outfit we've seen before, but I love that metallic blue sleeves on his jacket. It just looks so fashionable. 2 micro dolls are included in this set, Victoria and Peter. Love that we get a set of twins, and in this set they're actually hiding, and the police officer Isabella has to find them. Love that we get some animals included, Grace the Labrador and Mittens the kittens. It's so cute. Grace is smiling at us, and I'm not sure if Mittens is missing an eye or is winking. Let's begin this huge set with the design store. We get a little computer screen there and a coffee maker. As soon as I saw this set, I knew I needed it. I love it. The colour palette, everything put together, and the building techniques in this are really, really good. So it's for 12 plus and over. It's because there's quite a lot involved in building this. The tile colour for the pavement has changed to sand blue instead of medium blue. Oh, and I love this little couch. Love the colours of this. It reminds me of Leo's room, so you could use that for his house. A little table there, and a little like side cabinet. love these. And oh, that's a gorgeous little chair. Let's pop everything in here. And the little rugs. This is quite a large building. Like, it's 3 stories high, which I really love. There's so much design and style and building techniques in this, inside and out. So I'm really super happy with this section of the set. There's the little picture of the bed on the outside of the building. Here's some more furniture to pop inside. I love that we get 3 full sets, so you can choose whichever set you want to put in the little apartment, or you can pop it into a house that you have built. I also like how many pictures are included to really make your little apartment or a house to feel like a home. I love this, and there's going to be like little cups and trinkets there on the side to fit out your new house. So here's the building techniques I was talking about. So they're a little bit more advanced. I love these half tiles we get to. Another stickered panel to display what this shop is selling. Oh, I love that. Great idea. I love the uniqueness of the look of this build and how many angled bits there are, and that's for the angled roof that's going to go up here. And more furniture. This looks like a 60s inspired modern look. A little bit too modern for me, I think. And I love this round circle chair. Looks so comfortable, and I'm going to try it out. And it is comfy. And we get some homewares there. Pop everything in. Oh, it's looking so cool. Lego's really going green with the design of their buildings, including solar panels in nearly every set. And we got some more furniture here. Now, I particularly like this bed, the colours of the bedspread and just how it's built. It's gorgeous. But I'm not sure I like that it's hanging like that. It looks weird to me that it's going to fall down. And here's quite a lot of the snot technique happening here. You mainly get this on the 18 plus modulars. So I am really loving that they have made a Lego Friends set more advanced. I also love that the buildings have a closed-in roof. That's the design store done. I love the colours, the uniqueness of this. I love it. This is the second section of the build, so where everyone probably meets, because there's going to be some park benches and a little water fountain in the middle. So I really like these rainbow stairs that are going up. It's going to be like a little eating section at the top. And we've got some Technic parts going in to make the floor more stable and secure. But I do find this little areas maybe a little bit of wasted space. Maybe underneath those stairs there, they should have put a little vending machine. That would have been like really, really good. I particularly love this fountain and how there's like money in there. That is gorgeous. Let's click it together. It's looking good. This is my favourite part of the whole set. It's the flower shop. I love absolutely everything about it. I love the curved stairs going up, the door, the stained glass windows. There is so much technique here. This is a mini modular. This is for like an 18 plus set that you get. I love everything about it. I love the flowers, the look, the colors. The interior is so classy and such gorgeous flowers being sold. The only thing here is the apartment level is not removable, but that's all right. Check out the front of that, how it's built, and the sticker commemorating the start of Lego Friends 2012. There's the interior of the apartment. We've got some boxes going in because that's Addie's house. She's going to be painting with her friends. Oh my gosh, I love this. There's a little romantic balcony going on the side. The front of the facade of this building is incredible. Oh, the little beehive, little house, love that. We get little plants there and a table. Love how there is a rooftop garden in this. We get this angled umbrella, blue flowers, love those blue flowers we get. And these light fittings are what you get in a modular set. And the brick built flower sign, a bouquet there, love it. And those are some tails going in, a sold sign. Oh my gosh, I love this build. Addie has a magazine and she wants to fit out her little apartment with furniture, and she's picked out this. So this is the rustic looking one. She likes it, but she's not sure. She is going to check out the modern setup, and I'm not sure. I don't think this is for this apartment, to be honest. Let's see the final apartment setup. Oh yeah, these are the type of colours she likes, the bright blues and corals. I think this is it. Let's join it together, and oh my goodness, this is coming along really nicely. The last bag is just finishing touches of grass and flowers and trees going in. So we get a beautiful birch tree here. I would have loved to have two of those trees, and here's just a string of party lights in the Unity Street. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. Isabella's walking around asking if anyone has seen the twins. The twins are playing hide and seek in the design store. Uh-oh. Leanne and Ollie want to buy some flowers for Addie's new home. This is what the downtown set looks like amongst my Main Street buildings. The Lego Friends Downtown Design and Flower Store. Oh my goodness, I love everything about this set. I love that you can change it up like I am showing you here. You don't have to have it all in a straight line. That flower shop could have been a set sold on its own. The design store could have been on its own. I would have loved another birch tree and maybe a little vending machine or an ATM under the stairs. But apart from that, I love all the mini dolls. I love the look of this set. So get it if you can. So everyone, get your bricks out.